Titanium mechanical pencil, a durable, aesthetic, and timeless pen that you can use for many years without any problems. The twisting retractable system, which works with a simple rotation movement, allows you to carry the twist pen safely. Comfortable typing with a cleverly formed center of gravity. Indelible and wear-resistant laser engraving. Grooved grip design that fits comfortably on your fingers. Anti-slip and easy to hold. Thanks to its unique mechanism design, it provides a lifetime of use comfortably without breaking the pencil lead. It has a very comfortable use structure by being rotated approximately 220 degrees mechanism. Parts that can work in harmony with each other. Includes 0.5 and 0.7 pencil lead options. Easy refilling. Comes with carrying case. One pencil that meets all your needs. Ret Von Titanium Pencil.
In October 2014, we launched the Twist Bullet Pencil. The Twist embodied everything we loved about bullet pencils. A rugged tool meant for work, built to last, and made right here in America. After the success of our first Kickstarter campaign, we didn't want to come back until we had something that would truly impress. Presenting the Timber Twist. Available in walnut, mahogany, and red cedar. This twist features a hand-finished wooden barrel in your choice of aluminum or brass bullets. Preloaded with a Blackwing 602, arguably the most beloved pencil in the world. The Timber Twist features the same rugged durability.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Hemingway, and this is my latest precision handmade drawing tool, a pencil at the forefront of lightweight composite technology. A carbon fibre mechanical pencil in a stunning matte black finish that minimises hand fatigue over long periods of use. And with its ultra-modern lightweight construction, it wouldn't look out of place on the utility belt of Batman himself. As many of you are aware, all of my pencils are made by myself on my grandfather's lathe that I inherited when he passed away. My pencils are a great gift to give to anybody, whether they're an architect, engineer, illustrator or design student. A handmade, super lightweight carbon fibre pencil in matte black will make a great addition to their drafting toolkit. Your help by backing this project ensures I can continue building these unique pencils. This year I was amazed when world-renowned architect Sir Norman Foster became a customer of mine. I couldn't believe it, as he's always been an inspiration to me. I love exploring new materials and creating variations of my products. I hope to be building you one of these matte black carbon fibre mechanical pencils. Thank you for watching, and thank you for backing me, if you do back me. Cheers, bye.